I'm gonna walk you through and show you how I organize and clean up my fridge. So I'm really excited about this video. I bought all my containers and the things that I'm going to need for my organization in Amazon. So here it is. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So this is the one that I bought. Super guys, excited na ako. Wow, this. Oh yeah, it's super high quality. I love it. I forgot how much it is, but it is high quality. Look.
The next step I did is I wash all the containers that I'm going to use. I will leave links to almost everything you see here in the description box if you're interested in any of these products. Here's the before clip of our refrigerator, and as you can see, I need to do a deep clean, restock on everything, and make it more organized for my family and I love to show you guys real behind the scenes before I tackle this space. I'm really excited to get this cleaned and organized and share with you the process in case you need some ideas, inspiration, and motivation to clean out your own refrigerator. Starting off with step number 1. Clean out the entire fridge first and get rid of things that you don't need or expired. This will help to make room for things that you need.
Expired March 21. Roll.
After all of my food was out of the fridge, I took everything apart so that I can wash them, and I wipe everything down. Next step is I'm going to scrub everything in here. I'm going to do this quick because I need to put food back, and immediately that needs to be cold before I start organizing what I'm going to put in the container. After cleaning the fridge, I put everything back on its proper place. Now that the fridge is clean, I can now place all the food back into the fridge in the specific containers or sections. I super love this egg holder. I highly recommend it. So the next thing you see me do is I'm going to clean and wash the produce and put them in a separate containers. I like to do this because they are more likely to get eaten when they are clean and put away and they are ready to go. It's just something that you can quickly grab. I wanted to use glass containers so we could see what we have and keep everything organized. If you see it, chances are you'll eat it. So this is one of my favorite part of doing any type of organization, is putting the items in separate containers. I just like trialing out, seeing what fits where, and it's satisfying feeling when you're all done and everything has a place. I love using Lazy Susan to easily find sauces or condiments. Instead of removing everything in your fridge to get to the thing you want in the back, just rotate the shelf and the item will be easily accessible to you. I highly recommend you getting one if you're planning to organize your fridge or pantry. This product is amazing, super space saving, and I can grab any bottle from the front. It saves me from digging to the back of the fridge to retrieve items. I bought mine in my local dollar store for only $4. So the last step is labeling all the containers. I ordered these labels from Kat of Kiam Creations. I will link her Facebook page if you guys want to order your personalized label sticker. I chose the white font because I just like the look of it on the clear containers. I think those labels look so cute, and really I think they're going to help us keep organized. I like to keep the raw meat in the bottom of the fridge, so if there's any juices that were to drop, it's not gonna be dropping all over the food. Okay, so here's what the refrigerator looks like in the end. You can tell it looks really neat and organized. You can see that everything has a place. I like that all the containers are labeled. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed seeing all of this organization inspiration, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos. See you in my next video. Bye!